By the time this video ends, you will see this right on your computer screen. There are two ways. Either smash the link in the description, your download will start instantly, or open new tab, type Epic Launcher and hit enter. Click the first link and hit the download button. Your download will start instantly. Once the download done, just click the pop-up to get started. You will see install button when you click, but since I have already installed the Epic Launcher, I am getting repair and remove option instead. Just hit install and approve any permissions if it asks for. You will see this interface. Feel free to choose any sign in or sign up method, but I recommend using Google. Just click on the Google option. New window will pop up and just click on the continue button. Select your Google account here and it will redirect you to Epic Launcher automatically. If you are not on this tab, click Unreal Engine on the left sidebar and then click library in the center menu. You won't see any engines or project listed here. Since it's your first time, just click on the plus icon and choose the version of Unreal Engine you want to install. Click the install button, choose the preferred installation directory and then click install again to begin. I already have 3 engine version installed, so I can cancel this step. After a short wait, you will see a launch button appear like this. After clicking the launch button, just wait a moment, your Unreal Engine will be ready to go. And that's it, Unreal Engine is ready. Go ahead and explore, create, bring your idea to life and enjoy.